Hello everyone. So the purpose of today's video is to show you how to create documents that will allow your students to underline, circle, highlight, show mathematical thinking. The previous videos that I had shown you guys, it showed you how to create a Google Doc, and we were having kids put answers in. But in order to get them to write on the documents, we have to save them as PDFs. So I'm going to guide you through that process. So let's begin. I'm going to go into Microsoft Word and I have this document here. And I want to assign this document to my students. So I hit File, then I go to Save As. Then I click on this PC. Then I click on Documents. Now this drop-down menu here, I'm going to click on PDF because I want to save this as a PDF. When I click Save, I'm actually going to save this as Sample Test 1. Sample Test 1. And when I do that, document saved. Now I'm going to go to my classroom and I'm going to create this assignment. Assignment, add file. And I'm going to go to select files from my device. I'm going to go to sample test 1. I'm going to click on upload. So now that PDF has been uploaded to my Google Classroom. I'm going to give this a title, sample 1. And then I'm going to give it a due date so that it appears on my students drop-down menu. Then on this drop-down tab, I'm going to click on make a copy for each student. Then I'm going to click on assign. Now let's go into the student account to see what the student sees. So on the student's end, they're going to see classwork, sample test 1. When they click on that, they're going to click on view assignment. Then they're going to click on your work over here. They're going to click on this. That's going to bring them here. Then they're going to click on these 3 dots over here. They're going to click on open in new window. Then they're going to click on open with. That's going to bring them to here. Now they're going to open with Doc Hub. So this first one here, Doc Hub, PDF, sign and edit. When they click on that, it opens up this. Now the cool thing about this is that it gives the students the opportunity to write. So draw freehand. Now, instead of typing out answer choices, I can circle them if need be. I can also do like mathematical thinking if I want to. I can show how I'm getting my answers as opposed to just typing them in, right? So whatever the student puts on the paper, the teacher is then going to see. So let's say the student is done with this activity and they want to submit it to their teacher. The next thing the student's going to do, the student's going to go to this button here where it says download/export. They're going to click on that and this appears. So now they're going to click on Classroom, create share link, upload to Google Classroom. And then this pops up. Choose class. The student's going to click on the class that they're enrolled in. Choose assignment. The student's going to click on the assignment, sample test 1. Here it is. Then go. At this point, the student then has their link, which is posted right here. The student is then going to click on attach. Once the student attaches the document, it says your assignment is ready to turn in. They're going to click on view assignment. Once the student clicks on view assignment, it brings them to this page here. On this page here, you'll see there are 2 assignments here. Sample student assignment, that's the blank assignment. And this is the link, this is the assignment with their answer responses. The student can get rid of this if they want to, because this is just the assignment that you sent out. This is what you're actually going to be grading as a teacher. So when the student clicks turn in, it's going to give them this, and they're going to click on turn in. And then once that happens, the teacher will then receive it. So let's go back into the teacher account and let's see. So as a teacher, I'm going into sample test 1. I see that there's 1 turned in. I click on that 1, and then that brings me here. I see that sample student has turned in their work. So I click on sample student, and these are the 2 links that the sample student sent me. Now this link here is the sample student's link. So as you can see here, as a teacher, I'm looking at the work that the student did. And I can see how the student was able to interact with the assignment. So I can see their multiplication, I can see what answers they circled, as opposed to them just typing in their answers. Now they're actually writing on the text. So now I'm going to go back over here and I can give the student a grade if I want to. So let's say the student did an excellent job. I can write 100%. Also, perfect. If I want to, I can also click on return as well. And here it gives me the option to give them a comment. I can say nice job. I could also give them more specific feedback if I want to. Then I click on return. Once I hit return, the student gets it. So if we log back into the student account, we'll see, nice job, there's their comment, and they also have their grade as well posted up here. So that does it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and if you guys have any questions, you know my email. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.